Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text reveal video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to place the text kind of like here, because he just like walks on this like area. Just going to go to this part, add in my text and type in the word flip. You can also change the font here if you'd like to. I'm just going to place it here. Then I'm going to select the video, copy and paste it, and add it on top of the text. Go to cutout and select auto cutout. And I'm just going to make the text smaller, and I'm also going to add in a shadow so that you'll be able to see the text a little bit better. Okay. Right click, create compound clip, and select the mask button and select split, and you're going to split it where you can't see the text yet, so actually split it like 90 degrees and place it here. Add a keyframe here, and then as the person like goes, you're going to drag the line and it's going to add in that keyframe by itself, revealing the text that you created. Maybe add in a feather so that it looks more smooth if you'd like to. But that's basically it really. Let's just review this. Looks something like that, but it is a little bit better. Just go back to the beginning. If you feathered it out just a little bit, like 2% maybe, and did the same thing again. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!